All right, everybody, so this is week 3 of the K-Mix, and I already did my wash, deep conditioned, and right now I'm doing my protective style with my K-Mix mixture. And the mixture, if you have not yet seen it posted, there is on my YouTube channel. Go watch the last video that I posted, and it's also posted on my Life with Paulette Facebook channel. So I tend to post it out there as well, just in case you don't have a YouTube and you just want to, you know, you just have a Facebook. You can find me on either channel. But yeah, I just want to show you guys how I've been keeping up with my protective style. And I know you guys been seeing me doing a lot of frizz lately. Well, it is still February month, and you know, it's Black History Month, so I tend to want to take the whole month of February to do my frizz and to do natural styles, you know, to represent. Y'all know you gotta represent. But apart from that, you know, it's just the same old, and it may get boring to you guys. I'm trying not to overload you with all this because it is 8 weeks worth of stuff that I'm doing. I should have posted. I'll do my best to post on time, but you know, this is basically week 3. And as you can see, 4C is 4C. And it's Thursday, look at that. But the moment you hit that mixture on it, and make sure you're getting your ends, because a lot of time our ends is more older than the normal root side. So you want to make sure that you saturate your ends with all that good product. And I like this diamond brush because once the product is in your hair and you comb it through, it like it coats all the strands just by, you see, it just passes through. See that? Passes through. And you know, for everybody and their hair texture will be differently, but for this 4C here that I have, just loves that K-Mix. And you can find Kimmy Tube on YouTube. She, like I say, she was my inspiration for my natural hair journey. I've started since 2011, and let me tell you, she's still going now. She has her own product line. You can probably check that out. Just go over there and just watch her videos. The ones that she have on there is still very educating, and learn. She teaches. She's a good teacher. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up this bad boy and then I'll be back. You guys stay tuned. As you can see, I finished this hair, and it don't have to be perfect, okay? Don't think that your twist out has to be perfect, because mine's not perfect. You know, that's why you pay the professionals to do it. But if you're gonna do it yourself, you can get a nice twist out just with this. Or if you don't even want to take these out and you just want to keep your protective styles in, like you've noticed I've been doing a lot of like head bandanas and stuff like that, you can just fix it and twist it under and make sure, or put it in one and stretch it out. There's different ways for you to wear your twist. I just practically just like to put it in one and basically just let it rip for the next day or 2, and then I redo the treatment again. So normally I've been doing this treatment on my hair, I would say 3 times a week. So I'll start on a Tuesday, on a Monday, Wednesday, and then I wash and I deep condition either Friday or Saturdays, all depending on how I'm feeling that day. But normally it's either on a Friday or a Saturday. I will deep condition my hair and start all over again. Everybody has a specific day that they do their hair routines. Pick a day and be consistent with it. Like I say, I'm doing this for 8 weeks and just adding into it as well. I'm working on getting my edges back. So I've been using black castor oils, and I use that on my edges. Plus in the mix has castor oil in it, but it's just a normal organic castor oil. But the black castor oil I specifically use in the front, and it's coming in surely but slowly, or slowly but surely. And you know, it is what it is. Let's work on getting this length retention and work on these ends. As you can see, you want to saturate that bad boy because that hair there is old. It's been growing out since 2011. So yeah, I will keep you all posted week 3. And if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't even think about it. Just go and do it, okay? And hit the little bell so that way whenever I post, you'll be notified and we will always stay in contact. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? I'll be back showing you the finishing up of my twist out, and then I will just try to cut this video as short as possible, but you all know what I'm talking about. See you all in a little bit. Okay guys, so this is the end result from my wash day week 3 K2 mix usage, and this is on my 4C here. As you can see, everything is looks pretty good. It has a nice little bounce to it. Yeah, so I'm excited. So what I'm gonna do next is head to bed. As you can see, I need to do my skincare routine before I go to bed, but I just wanted you all to see that 4C hair, you got to put a little time into it, but at the end of the day, the results is phenomenal. So I am going to cover it up, and you could either do bantu knots in it, and this is a bantu knot. I'm going to twist if I want some curls to it, and just make a nice little bun like this. Okay, it's not perfect, but you know, something like that. And then you put your bonnet on, go to bed, and you wake up and you have a nice twist with curls to the end. So it'll be more like a nice little fro and stuff. But I am too tired, guys. You see my eyes? I had a long day. Tomorrow's another long day. So I am just gonna put on this nice little bonnet and finish up my skincare, and I'm gonna say good night to you guys. I hope you guys enjoying the videos. Don't forget to give me thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and comment and link below what type of videos do you want to see more of. If you want to see more hair, if you want to see skincare, if you want to see me do a makeup tutorial. I also have information in regards to my next video. It's gonna be a surprise because it's something I've never done before, but I'm gonna try it just for you, okay? Love you guys. You all have an amazing week. Have a beautiful night, evening, day, whatever. You know, wherever you're at, you have an amazing time. That's it. Peace. Do this.